Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Just finished a dual 1245 for a customer. Had the usual Stewart pimple was gone, so I replaced that and cleaned all the old grease out. Set up the arm. It's working pretty good now. Pretty nice turntable. Now this model here was fairly simple enough to work on. But it had the usual problems that the duals have, mainly with the Stewart pimple being gone. Got that replaced. So it's in pretty nice condition, I would say. A new customer brought this in this morning, so it took about 45 minutes to get it back to operational condition. So that's about it, I guess. I don't have much more to really say about this. It's a pretty nice turntable. Pretty clean, too. And he told me he's got a Denon DP30L that he wants to bring me that's not working. And something else. So it's always good to get a new customer. And it's been years since I saw a dual, but I remember pretty much, once you learn this stuff, you tend to not forget it. So yeah, it's pretty much done. So thanks for watching.